Here I want to explain about the Tomcat server with database, how to connect with the database using Tomcat server, and this is the main Apache software directory, and here the web apps. Here we have to keep the folder which we want to edit. In it we have a web directory searcher. Under the web INF we can keep any scripting languages files, and under the web INF we can keep all the XML files. In it we can keep this Java files. In it Java files we have to execute, and we have to generate the class files, and this is the lib folder where we can keep the MySQL connector jar file, which is used to connect the MySQL database. It plays a major role in connecting the database, and I kept this data structure web structure demo. In it I kept error index login and this MySQL connector and the web and web.xml file. Now look at those files, and this is the index dot where we can take only username and password as an input and submit button, and this is the error login.jsp. If we this is the plays major role in connecting with the database, and here the database name, user management, and the new password is my password of my SQL, and this is the new password is my password of my SQL, and I am using database as user management, which I already created in it, and I select the table user 4 which I created username and the password, and here I kept that user 4 as a table name, and these are all my database. And if we press login, and if the password and username is correct in this database, if username is Prashant and VBIT password VBIT at the rate, if we keep in this login username and password is Prashu and the password is VBIT at the rate 123, we will get this one. If it is not other than Prashant and VBIT at the rate, we will get this one, login failed, invalid username or password, please try again. And this is the web directory web.xml. Here demo is the directory structure folder name, and the first URL path we kept is index.jsp, and welcome file, it is called as welcome file. Now let start the Tomcat server. I started the Tomcat server. Now I will open Chrome, and I kept my default port number is 8080. Here I will get manager app. In it I have to open, and my manager GUI app username and password is root, and here I am getting demo. So if I open it, I will get this one index.jsp. Here username and password, so I have to give only the name which is in the database, VBIT at the rate 123, which is in my database. This is, so I am keeping this only to validate. So I am getting like this, and my error, if there is no errors, if we log in, we will get this one as an output, welcome.jsp. So login successfully, welcome, you have login successfully. Otherwise we will get this one. So I am facing an issue, which is this. Okay, thank you.